So, to get over your ex, obviously, it's important to stop contact. Maybe not for everybody in every single case, but generally speaking, those text messages to just see how you're doing can hold you back. Same thing for, say, remaining connected through Facebook, Instagram, or social media, because it just keeps pinging you with reminders of that person. A lot of people struggle to cut those social media ties because they don't want their ex to think I'm literally unfriending you or that it would seem hostile. So if that's the concern, you can even just let your ex know, hey, I'm really trying to move on. And when I see those pictures of you, it's hard for me to do that. So I'm unfriending you, but it's not anything hostile. It's just because I need to move forward. Another thing that can happen in breakups is that we can just get really physically lonely because we're used to that relationship of just even being held and touched, and our body chemistry is regulated around that. So even booking yourself, say, some massage appointments or some personal trainer appointments, those types of things can give your body that, sense of being touched or that sense of being engaged that it would be missing from the relationship. Obviously, it's not completely the same, but it does give some way of addressing your body. One other tip that can be helpful in getting over your ex is to actually make a list of the top 10 reasons why that person was not good for you. Maybe times that they cheated on you, lied to you, mistreated you, failed to commit to you, whatever the case may be. Because when we get in a nostalgic mood, we can have our rose-colored glasses on and think of the person as perfect. But that top 10 list of why they're actually not what we thought that they were can be really grounding when we're maybe in a nostalgic mood.